Origen USA, el peso coincide.
Sellos inspeccionados, todo en orden.
Large industrial machines carefully separate the compressed bales, creating the loose fibers required for the new 100,000 pesos paper production. Check the flow rate on vessel 3. It's slightly high. Adjusting the intake valve now. Temperature remains stable. Here in the massive mixing tanks, the raw cotton fibers are suspended in water. The agitators begin the crucial breakdown.
Inside the purification chambers, the cotton pulp undergoes rigorous cleaning stays. The fiber distribution looks consistent across the width. Agreed. Thickness is holding steady at the target range. We're maintaining maximum output speed here, and the cutting accuracy remains within tolerance for the 100,000 peso sheets. The registration marks need absolute precision for the watermark integration, down to microscopic tolerances. Ensure compatibility with the engraving systems.
Precision is paramount. Robotic arms ensure the exact alignment of every sheet of security paper before it reaches the high-speed offset rollers.
The registration on the orange layer is precise.
Confirmed. The latent image is building perfectly on the new sheets.
Utilizing advanced UV scanners and high-resolution cameras, the system maps every micro-defect, ensuring the integrity of the 100,000 peso notes. High-precision presses ensure every detail of the Cocora Valley landscape is captured in these 100,000 peso notes.
Look here, the fluorescent fibers are aligned perfectly. The spectral imaging confirms the density levels match the master file.
Engineers review counting performance, reconciling production data against central records to ensure accuracy before distribution.
Control, this is Convoy Lead. Gates opening, proceeding as planned.
Confirmed, lead. Tracking shipment confirmed. Confirm the 100 billion peso transfer to Cali.
Dispatch confirms trucks are loaded and ready for departure.
Monitor the satellite feed until clear of the city center. Verificando la distribución actual. El flujo hacia Cali parece estable. Confirmado. Monitoree las reservas del Banco Central.